Boxycharm by Ipsy for August has arrived with their little pamphlet. Their little newspaper pamphlet says that the theme this month is the Beauty Olympics. Personally, I think it's just an advertisement to get us to try to buy more stuff. Anyway, my big question is, yes, where's my watermelon? With this box, you get to make 3 choices. And I was very excited when I saw this product from StyleDry. Never heard of the company before. It said it was a hair mask with watermelon. And I do love me some good watermelon. She took a sniff of it. It smells fruity, and I'm not gonna knock that concept. I would rather have fruity than perfumey. Yet, it does not smell like watermelon. She's not a very happy camper. No, I am not. Because I want my watermelon. If you say you're going to have watermelon, I want my watermelon. And in case anyone is wondering, the suggested retail for this item is somewhere on this piece of paper, $19.95. This is from Beauty, and Anne also got to pick this one. It is a concealer. It is in the shade Light. I usually try to get things a little lighter because it's easier to darken them up with a little bronzer than it is vice versa. I thought this would also be helpful for my under eye area. Keep an eye on my shorts feed. That's where I put a lot of my first impressions of a variety of products, and my shorts go up on the weekend. So keep an eye on my shorts feed. Eventually this will make its way to that point. I've used products by Yensa before and been very pleased with them, so I am hopeful that this will be a good one. And the price on this one is $32. And the third item that I got to pick was from K Voss. This is a Lip Potion Overnight Lip Mask. Those are always fun. I always like a good overnight mask. And it has olive oil, pomegranate, and pineapple in it. So I haven't opened it up yet, but hopefully it has some of those scents to it. I mean, I'm not saying for overnight. I don't want to be knocked upside the head by a giant pineapple, yet hopefully it has a little bit of a light scent. And the retail suggested for that one is oh my, $32. Oh my. And I'm looking for a size. Not there. I'm still looking for a size. This is full size and it is 15 milliliters. Then again, for overnight, one does not need a lot of product, we hope. Those were my 3 choices, and I would have put the watermelon product as my top out of those 3, but since there ain't no watermelon in it, then I will go with the lip potion. How about you? Do you get this box? And what do you think of Anne's choices? Let me know down below, because I'm a nosy camel. Tell me all the details. And now, moving right along with this video, with this box you can purchase add-ons. And although the photo is not stamped on the beauty sponge, I purchased an add-on for $3.50 for a beauty sponge because when I was reorganizing some things, I realized I was running a little low on beauty sponges. So for $3.50, I decided to purchase this cute little thing. Like I said, it's not going to have the face stamped on the sponge, but the price was right. It was there. I was there. I bought it. Another thing you can do with this box is earn and then spend points. Yes, you earn points by doing a review on their website, and then you get to spend the points. And I had some points that were going to expire soon, so I looked around and I found blush drops from Rodial, or Rodial, I've heard it pronounced both ways. These are in the shade Frosted Pink. It is a liquid blush. This is the mini size. It is 2 grams or 0.06 ounces. And this is a closer look at the shade. I've been using some things by this company, by this brand, and I have been very pleased. So I thought I would venture out with 600 points and see what you get for your nickel with a liquid blush. And that was a mini size. It has a suggested retail value of $35 for the mini size. If you're liking the types of things that you're seeing here and are not already subscribed to Boxycharm by Ipsy, we have a link down below that you can use. And moving right along, as part of the 5 full-size items that one will get in a Boxycharm by Ipsy, they pick 2 items for you based upon the profile that you fill out. And I do find it helpful every so often to go in there, like every, I don't know, 6 to 8 months, and change around the profile a little bit. Anyway, they picked for me Key's Soulcare, and this is what she looks like, hopefully without blinding everybody. I don't think, if I have something by this brand, it's sitting in the lineup waiting to get used. I have a feeling I might not. This could be your first one. It very well could be. And they say that in here, it has something called Snow Mushroom. And I tried a product from another company a couple of years back with Snow Mushroom in it and was very pleased. So I am hopeful that this one will be just as good. And it has a suggested retail of $40. And from Iconic London, they picked for Anne the Treat Yourself palette. And I like the looks of this one because I get to do swatches. Oh, look at those blings and those shimmers. Oh my goodness. And this has a retail of $62. And the camel will now do swatches. Very nice job in the swatching department, Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching. What was your favorite shade? I like the shimmery ones. So this box had a retail value of $191, and that does not include the blush drops, and that does not include the makeup sponge. Just the things that were in my August box. If you're interested, just for future reference, it's a $30 box. You get 5 full-size items. We have a link down below if you would like to join on in the party. You can get up to a $200 retail value. On occasion, we get a little more than $200. I think it just depends upon what you make in your choices. Like we said, there's a link down below if you want to try out a monthly box. They do have, I believe it's 3, 6, and 12-month subscriptions. I'm not sure if they have a 9-month. I do the annual subscription, so that lowers my price by a few dollars a month. And I like having the option of their shop for add-ons if there is something that I need, or that we feel we need. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Y'all know the routine. Come for a video, stay and subscribe for the adventure, because we have a lot of fun adventures over here. Hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.